Proteins are essential nutrients for the human body. The building blocks of proteins are amino acids. They are one of the building blocks of body tissue and can also serve as a fuel source. Protein is necessary in building and repairing body tissues. In this video, let's see 10 vegetarian foods rich in protein. 1. Lentils. Lentils are high in protein and fiber and low in fat, which makes them a healthy substitute for meat. Lentils contain 25.8 grams of plant protein per 100 grams, putting them in the top 3 legumes with the most protein. Lentils can be had in the form of soups or can be eaten with rotis or even rice. 2. Quinoa. Quinoa is a good source of protein, fiber, iron, thiamine, copper, and vitamin B6. Quinoa is classified as a whole grain and is a good source of plant protein and fiber. 1 cup of cooked quinoa has 8 grams of protein. Quinoa is unique among whole grains because it contains all 9 essential amino acids. 3. Green peas. Green peas contain nearly 9 grams of protein per cooked cup, 160 grams. Green peas contains a fair amount of fiber and antioxidants. In addition to this, they are rich in vitamins A, K and C and also contain numerous minerals and a high quantity of fiber. 4. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are nutrient powerhouses. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a good source of plant-based protein, providing about 11 grams per 1 cup serving. Chickpeas are a legume with a massive amount of antioxidants packed inside. Antioxidants protect your body from the harmful effects of free radicals. 5. Tofu. Tofu is known as soy paneer, or bean curd, as it is prepared from coagulated soy milk. It is a complete source of dietary protein, which means it provides all of the essential amino acids needed in the diet. Firm tofu is an excellent source of protein, with nearly 22 grams per serving. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is packed with nutrition and is very low in calories. Besides being a good source of protein, broccoli is high in fiber, iron, calcium, selenium and B vitamins. 100 grams of broccoli contains 2.8 grams of protein and 34 calories. 7. Legumes. Legumes are typically low in fat, contain no cholesterol, and are high in folate, potassium, iron and magnesium. Clinical studies also found that regular consumption of legumes can help keep cholesterol levels low. 8. Spinach. Spinach contains relatively high quantities of protein compared with other vegetables. 100 grams of spinach contains 2.9 grams of protein and 23 calories. Additionally, spinach contains a fair amount of magnesium, which also helps stimulate blood flow and may boost testosterone levels. 9. Seitan. Seitan is nutritious, it is high in protein and contains many minerals including selenium, iron, phosphorus, calcium, and copper. 1 serving around the size of the palm of your hand contains about 75 grams of protein, enough for most adults for a day. 10. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts offer a bunch of nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. They are rich in antioxidants and cancer-protecting compounds. 1 cup of Brussels sprouts provides 4 grams of healthy, plant-based protein.